Good evening to one and all. So in this video lecture I am going to discuss about binary search tree and one of the operations on binary search tree, that is insertion. So first of all, what is binary search tree? A binary search tree is a binary tree with certain properties. Okay, so the property is the left subtree of a root node should be less than the value that is contained in the root node. Similarly, the right subtree should contain the values which are greater than the root node. Okay, and this particular property must be satisfied by all the nodes present in the tree. Okay, and obviously the leaf nodes will have no right child as well as left child. Okay, so if a node is non-leaf node, so for all non-leaf nodes the left child must be less than the root and right child must be greater than root. This particular condition should be satisfied, and here is an example. So in the first example we can observe that the root node is 100 and all the elements, all the nodes which are in the left subtree are lesser than 100, and that particular condition is satisfied for every node in the tree. Similarly, in the right subtree all the values are greater than 100, and if you take 200 node, it has 150 as left subtree, left child, as well as 300 as the right child. Similarly, for every node this particular condition is satisfied. Even in the second case where we have 20, 30, 40, 50, so this is a tree with only right childs, and correspondingly all the values are greater than their root nodes. And one more example is given where we have only left childs. Okay, now coming to insertion. See, if we want to insert a particular node into the binary search tree, we must ensure that the property that a binary search tree should satisfy even after inserting this particular element. Okay, so in this particular figure we are trying to insert 140. Okay, we are trying to insert 140. So first of all, starting from root, which is 100, we have to find out where we have to insert this particular 140. Okay, so for that, starting from root, so what is root value? 100. So 140 should come in the right side, so come down to 200, and when we compare 140 with 200, so this 140 should come in the left side, so come left side, and we got 150 as the root node currently. So this, when we compare 140 with 150, 140 is lesser, so it should come left side, and here left side there is no child for 150, so this 140 new element becomes the left child for 150 node. Okay, so this is how we insert, and how to code this particular logic. So this is the program which we can use to insert an element into a binary search tree. So first of all, as we have done in the algorithm, we are trying to identify the location of the location where we have to insert the node. Okay, we have come down to a particular location where we have to insert. We have come down from 100, which is a root, to 150, and then to the 150 we have identified that this particular 140 should come at the left side. So this is what we have done. So we can divide this particular logic into two parts. The first part is dragging down from the root to the leaf node where we have to insert the new element, and again the second part is we have to identify whether we should insert in the left side or right side to a particular node. These are the two parts, and these two parts are solved using this particular block of code. So here we have while loop as well as if statement. So in the while loop, what we are doing is we are just going down based on the current value. Here you see here item is the value which we have to insert, and initially current is root and previous before to the root nothing is there. So previous is null, current is root, then we are going down, we are traversing through the binary search tree starting from root. Okay, for that what we are doing is when we have reached the end, that time current becomes null value. So that is where we are going to exit from this particular while loop. So while current does not equal to null, previous equal to current, so we are coming down, and then if item is less than the current info, then we will go to the left side, otherwise right side. So likewise we will be going down, and at some particular point, so current there will be no child nodes, so which is a leaf node. That time this particular while loop will be breaked, and then when we are inserting the particular new element, what we will be doing, we will be comparing with the current value. So if the value that we want to insert is lesser than that particular parent node, then we will be adding in the left side. So that is what we have done in this particular if statement. So thank you.